Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss quantum theory of paramagnetism. Now, in this lecture we will discuss magnetic property of rare earth ion and ion group with graphical representation and paramagnetic susceptibility of conduction electron. Now, first will we discuss paramagnetic susceptibility of conduction electron. Most of the metal are paramagnetic except few metal which show ferromagnetic, that is Fe, Co, that is cobalt and nickel. In some metal, it is found that paramagnetic nature in independent or temperature. In 1947, Pauli subject that this is due to paramagnetic behavior of free electron or conduction electron. The conduction electron make two contribution to that total magnetic property of metal. It is due to spin motion of electron. This contribution gives rise the paramagnetic property of metal. It is due to the orbital motion of electron. This orbital motion gives rise to diamagnetic property to the metal. Net electromagnetic susceptibility is a difference between these two contributions. In order to understand paramagnetism in metal, let us consider curve of density of state as function of energy of electron at absolute zero temperature. This curve may be the split into two parts. The spin of electron upward direction of z-axis and other with the opposite direction of z-axis as shown in below. Now this diagram will be shown. In this absence of external magnetic field, the contribution of electron with spin parallel to the z-axis is equal to the number of electron with the opposite spin, and hence magnetic moment of electron is zero. When magnetic field is applied along the z-axis, energy of spin aligned parallel to the direction of applied field is lower by the amount of mu b, while energy of spin opposite to that z-axis is raised by the amount of mu b. As a result of this, Fermi level of two spin distribution shift with respect to each other and given rise the energetically unstable situation. In order to stable configuration, the electron near the Fermi level with the anti-parallel spin jump. Now this will be the paramagnetic susceptibility for conduction electron. Now next topic, magnetic property of rare earth and ion group ions with graphical representation. First will be the rare earth. The ion of the rare earth element have closely similar chemical property and them chemical separation in the pure form of accomplish only long after their discovery. Their magnetic property are fascinating. The ion in exist symmetric variety of intelligible complexity. The chemical property of trivalent ion are similar because outermost electron shell identically in the sp2 sp6 configuration like neutrally xenon. In ion thenium, just before rare earth group beginning, the 4f shell is empty. At the xenium there is the 4f electron and the number of 4f electron increases steadily through the group until we have 4f13 have ytterbium and the filled shell with 4f14f lutetium. The radii of trivalent ion contract smoothly as well as go through the group from 1.11 angstrom at zircon to the 0.94 angstrom at ytterbium. This is known as lanthanide construction. What distinguishes the magnetic behavior of one ion species from other? The number of 4f electron compact in the inner shell with the radius per shape 0.3 angstrom. Even in the metal, the 4f core retain integrity and atomic property. No longer group of element periodic table in intensity. The prediction discussion of paramagnetic applies to atom have 2j plus 1 fold decurrence, ground state and decurrency beginning lifted by the magnetic field. The influence of higher energy state have system neglected. This assumption appear the satisfied the number of rare earth ion. The calculated magneton number obtained with G value from the land result and ground state level assigned predicted below the Hund's rule, that is Hund's theory of spectral term. The between of experimental magneton number and this calculated, the assumption is quickly EU3 plus and SM3 plus ion. For this ion necessary, consider the influence of high state of L minus S multiple the interval between successive state multiplied are not longer compared to the KBT at room temperature. A multiple set level different J value arising out of L and S. The level multiple split by the spin orbital interaction. Now next will be the ion group ions. That the experiment magneton number of salt of the ion transition group. The periodic table are poor arrangement with 3 to 23. The value obtained agree quite well. Magneton number P is equal to 2 bracket S plus 1 bracket complete raised to 1 by 2 calculated as the orbital movement will not there at all. Now in this lecture we will discuss paramagnetic susceptibility of conduction electron and magnetic property of rare earth ion and ion group ions with graphical representation. Thank you so much.